my baby Jonah Vilay, thank you, my dearest. And of course, champion of your face, Sansumina, when I was hosting, Clarice. Thank you so much for all of you.
Oh, you're welcome,
Make us feel so
dear.
good about leaving this business to you, your generation. Thank you, ladies. Salamat din po sa mga kapamilya natin dito sa Amerika dahil yung shows ko po sa August 8 and 9 sa Grayton Resort and Casino ay sold out na po, but I shall see you there. Thank you for getting your tickets and I will sing for you on the 8th and the 9th. And also sana po abangan ninyo ang teleserye ang aking pababalik po sa aking home station ng ABS-CBN. Sa teleserye po namin ni Miss Julia Montes, ang Saving Grace. We are the 9th country to make this series. The first was Japan, second was Korea, and so on and so forth. Mga early next year po lalabas na ang Saving Grace. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po, thank you. Happy birthday, Augie! Sasamahan po ako ng dalawa sa pinaka